Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Asian Programmer. So today we're gonna make the video of conversion of Roman into numbers, Roman literals into numbers. In the previous video we make the lecture about conversion of number to Romans. So in this video I'm just making the vice versa. So what we need to do, we just have to make a function which will return an integer number. Obviously, we call this function Roman to number. Okay, Roman to number, in which we will just give the string. That's it. Okay, we'll just pass the string. Now in between we just need to make a map of, in which we'll say the character and an integer, and we call it m. Let's say call that m. Now what we need to do is we have to initialize the values inside it. Let's say for the I is 1, and I just need to copy these. That will look more reasonable if you put handle in between them. Okay. 5 would be, v would be 5, then x would be 10, then l would be 50, c would be 100, d would be 500. I just have to copy one more. Let's say m is 1000. I'm just restricting this task till the 1 till 5000 literals. If you want to make more, you just need to copy these and just add the remaining values from this particular side. You just need to add these values ahead and you can do that. Right now I'm just restricting it to 5000 literals, till 5000, 1 to 5000. So now we need to make a integer. You can call it like result, or how, no, total will be good because we're calculating it, the total sum of it. Now we need to make a loop, integer I equal to 0, which will iterate over the string length as dot length I plus plus. Okay, now in between we just need to make an if condition in which we say map of s of I, that particular index of map of s of I plus 1, if is less than equal to map of s of I, then total plus equal map s of I. So what I'm basically doing over here is that I'm just checking if the I is on the first first index of the string. I'm just checking that the next index, if it is less than equal to the previous index, then we are just adding it. If it will be not, then we have to subtract it. So in the else part, we'll just do this, that in the else we just have to do total minus equal m s of I. Yeah, that's our program. We just have to return the total number now to the main function. Let's make the main function now. In the main function we just have to make the string as we know this string will not gonna have any space in between, so we'll just can get from the scene as well, and we just need to pass these to the Roman to number function, in which we'll pass s. That's it, and we'll just see out. We just have to see out, enter the Roman literals for conversion. That's it. Let's run it out and check the output of it. So it's say enter the literal. I'm just going to write 23. Okay, like no, 33. 3x and 3 ones. It would be 33. Yeah, the answer is correct. Now let's say we will write 19. 19. Yeah, it gives the right answer. So if you don't understand how it's working, let me debug it for you and show you more accurately so you can understand how is it working. Okay, let me print this first and print the total as well, so that after every iteration you know that what's going on. Okay, let me tell you now. Let's say we will add triple x. Okay, 4 times x and 3 times 1, it will be 43. So how it works? First of all, it checks the second letter is less than or equal to the first. It is, if the if condition was true, so it adds 10. Similar in the next way, it adds 10, then it becomes 20, then 30, then 40, then 41, because I is less than x, then 42, I is less than I is less than equal to y, so it just carry on doing the 1 plus and 1 plus, and in the end it will just return the total, that will be 43. Now let's make any other letters in which the else part is also working, so you could understand better. Let's say 19. Now what it do here, first of all, the I was less than x, so it just enters the add the total 10 into the total number. In the next iteration, it checks x is less than equal to y. No, x is greater than equal to y. So what it do, it just minus the particular I value from the total, so it becomes 9. In the next, then it will check if there is no any other indexes after that, so it just adds the total amount of that last particular value, which is 10, which is x. So when it adds the x and 10 value and 9 value, so it gives us 19. Let's make one more iteration so you could know more accurately. Let's say we make it, let's go a bit higher. Let's say cd x v I. It should give us, yeah, 417. So c is equals to basically 100. So cd means it's that we will have 400. So first of all, it checks that d is less than equal to c. D was 500. Okay, so what it do, it just minus 100 from the total, so we get the minus 100 at first. Then it goes from to the d and checks d is less x is less than equal to d. Yeah, it is. So it just add that particular 500 in the total amount, so it will turns as 400. So the cd, which means it's a 400. Then it checks v is less than equal to x. Yes, it just adds 10 into it. Then it checks I is less than equal to v. It just add 5. Then I and then I. Then it will give us 417. That's how the whole program works. I hope you guys like it. You just have to remove this cout and this cout to get the answer properly without having this debugging thing. So it was just for the explanation. So I hope you guys like my video. If there's anything you don't understand, please comment in the comment box, and I will try to explain it to you. And if you have any wishes, which programs I should make, which tasks you are finding difficult to make, please let me know so I could make it that for you as well. Please subscribe and like my channel and do comment in the comment box. Thank you. Bye.